Hello students, in this video we are learning about static members in Java. Variables and methods declared using keyword static is called as static members of the class. So see here example for static variable. So this is the variable declared with static. This is the variable declared with static. Data type is integer, variable name is y. We assign value 20 for this variable y. So in front of data type integer, we declare the keyword static. So it is a static variable. Now static method. So de- uh, declaring the method with static. Declaring the method static is called as a static method. So return type, method name, parameter list. So before the return type, if you use to write keyword static. So this is a static variable. This is a static method. So example for example for static variable and example for a static method. So we see the definition of static variable. Static variable means the variable that can be accessed with a class name. So variable that can be accessed with class name is called as a static variable. So syntax is class name dot variable name. Class name dot variable name. Again, static method. So static methods are called by using class names and no objects have been created to use. So without creating an object, we are calling a method is known as static method. So static methods are nothing but the method called by using class name. So no need to create object to call this a static method. So syntax to define this static method. Class name dot method name. Parameters list. Parameter list. So we are calling the method by using class name here. We are calling the method name by using the class name instead of object. So this is a static method and this is a static variable. So here static methods have some restrictions. First one, the static method can only call a static method. The static method can only call a static method. And also static method can only access static data. So these are the restrictions for static methods. Now you see the program related to these static members. So here, write a Java program for defining and using static members or write a program to demonstrate static keyword. So in this program, we are using a static method, uh, and by using class name, we will call that static method. So see here, class class name is math operation. So in this math operation, we are defining two static methods. So first static method, see the first static method, get return type is double, method name is mul, and it containing two parameters, namely x and y with data type double. So before the return type, we wrote the keyword static. So it is a static method. And this is the body of the static method. Again, we are defining one more static method. So here, return type double, method name divide with two parameters, namely x and y. X data type is double and y data type is also double. So before the return type, we are mentioning the keyword static. So it is a static method. And this is the body of this method, return x by y. So class name is math operation. It is containing two static methods, namely mul and divide. Now, main class. Class name is math application. Main method publish static void main string arguments. So this main method is in the class math application. So we save the file name as a math application dot java. So I already told you to call a static method, we use a class name. So by using class name, we call a static method. By using class name, we call it static method. Here the class name is math operation. So with this class name, we call this two static methods. So here, see here, class name dot method name. Class name is, see here, class name is math operation, method name is MUL. Class name is math operation, method name is MUL. So in this method name MUL, it containing two parameters, X and Y. Having data type double. Nothing but we have to give decimal values for these parameters. So I'm giving decimal values 4.0, comma 5.0. So this 4.0 will pass to X and 5.0 will pass to Y. Now in X value is 4.0, Y value is 5.0. Now coming to the body of this static method, return X into Y. Nothing but we use asterisk symbol here, asterisk symbol. So 4.0 into 5.0, 20.0. So return statement return the value 20.0 here, 20.0. So to store the value 20.0, we use the variable name called as A with data type double. So in variable A, we store the value 20.0. Again, we are calling the second static method divide by using this class name. So class name is math operation, static method name is divide. So class name dot method name. Class name is math operation, method name is divide. So here we wrote A comma 2.0, A comma 2.0. So by calling the static method MUL, we got the A value, nothing but 20.0. A value is 20.0. So we write here 20.0 in place of A. So A value will be 20.0, comma 2.0. So A value is 20.0. So this A value 20.0 will pass to X and 2.0 will pass to Y. Now coming to the body of this method, return X by Y. So X value is 20.0, Y value is 2.0. So we get 10.0. We get 10.0. So return statement return the 10.0 here. 10.0. To store the value 10.0, we define a variable name called as B with data type double. So B value is 10.0. Now to print this value stored in variable B. System.out.println B is equal to 10.0. So B is equal to 10.0. So in this program, we are using two static methods. Those two static methods are called by using this class name. Thank you.